Hi, good evening everyone. Today I will talk about storage device. But before that, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Naziran bin Kashim and my group member is Syarivin Naidu anak laki Surya Kumar and Nur Adlin Sofia binti Muhammad Samsi. So we, so this is the example of storage device. We have HDD, SSD, optical disk, RAM, DRAM, and SRAM. So what is mass storage device? Mass storage device is a storage system that has storage capacity of several trillions of bytes of data. They use multiple units of a storage media such as multiple tapes, multiple CD-ROMs as a single storage device. Large volumes of data can be permanently or semi-permanently stored using mass storage devices which are hardware components. So for the first one is hard disk drive or HDD, magnetic storage device that read and write data using rotating disks covered in magnetic material. Although they have larger storage capabilities than SSD, they are slower. Second, we have optical discs. Add CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs to the list. They read and write data with the aid of laser technology. Although they are no longer as frequently utilized for primary storage, they are still useful for backups and media sharing. Next, we have solid-state drive or SSDs. Data can be stored on flash memory, which is faster and more reliable than HDD. They offer faster access time and are devoid of moving parts. So for the system memory, the computer memory that holds data a program requires to operate is called random access memory or RAM. Data storage that enables data to be retrieved randomly as opposed to only in sequence is known as random access memory. Conversely, due to limitation in their mechanical construction, other types of memory devices, metric, magnetic tapes, disks, and drums can only retrieve data on the storage medium in a predefined order. RAM system and virtual memory, a kind of volatile memory used to momentarily store information and commands needed by the CPU to carry out tasks. These RAM modules are critical components that work hand in hand with your computer central processing unit or CPU and must be working optimally for you to have a good experience. For virtual memory, a memory management strategy that uses a combination of physical RAM and a section of the hard drive or SSD to give the impression of a huge, continuous block of memory. System can manage heavier workloads with it than they could with only physical RAM. When RAM fills up, less used data is switched out to a page file, also known as swap space, on the storage device, and the necessary data is reloaded into RAM as needed. So we move to the RAM types and memory modules. Type of RAM. We have two RAM types, which is the DRAM and SRAM. We move to the first one first. Yeah, it is DRAM, dynamic RAM, a kind of semiconductor memory that is usually used to store the information of software that a computer processor needs in order to operate. Second, SRAM or static RAM will store its data indefinitely as long as power is there, whereas DRAM data needs to be refreshed on a regular basis because it is quickly. More costly than DRAM but faster and more dependable, it is utilized in cache and doesn't require refreshing. Memory modules, we have DIMM or dual line memory module, a widely utilized kind of computer memory module. It is a printed circuit board having DRAM chips and pins on one or both of the sides, front and back. Second, we have SODIMM, small outline DIM. a kind of computer memory that is more compact than the standard DIM found in desktop computers. Multi-channel system memory. Multiple memory modules can simultaneously transport data from the CPU thanks to multi-channel technology, even though accessing the memory modules is only a small portion of the operation overall, speed should still be double. We have three channel, which is the dual channel, triple channel, and quad channel. For the dual channel, increase the bandwidth of memory access by using two channels. Secondly, triple channel utilize three channel, which is less typical yet can provide better result. And for the final one, quad channel use four channel and is usually found in system with high performance. Error correcting code (ECC RAM). One kind of memory with error checking and correcting features is called ECC RAM. Both single-bit and two-bit mistakes can be found and fixed using it. This is essential for systems like server or high-performance computing settings where data integrity is critical. ECC RAM is more dependable than non-ECC RAM because it can repair errors in real time, preventing crashes and data damage. Non-ECC RAM is limited to error detection and cannot correct errors.
Hi, my name is Syarivin Surikuma, and today my topic is about CPU architecture and feature. First of all, CPU architecture and feature consist of 86 type of architecture. Type CISC, complex instruction set computer, features wide range of complex instructions, and then backward compatibility with older times 86 CPUs, multi-core support for better multitasking. And the second one is ARM architecture. Type RISC, reduced instruction set computer, features power efficient design, common in mobile devices, and big little configuration for balancing performance and power. And the third one is MIPS architecture. Type RISC, features simple fast instructions used in embedded systems and some networking hardware. And the fourth is PowerPC architecture. Type RISC, features efficient processing and used in embedded systems and some high performance computing. And the fifth is SPARC architecture. Type RISC, features scalable from small to large systems, unique register windowing feature for fast context switching. And then the sixth is Adlin IA64 architecture. Type EPIC, explicitly parallel instruction computing, features advanced parallelism, large register file for complex computations. And number 7 is RISC-V architecture. Type RISC also, features open source and customizable and modular based instructions and optimal extensions.
My name is Sofia binti Mak Syamsi. I want to talk about printer and multifunction device. Printer. First, inkjet printers. Ideal for high quality color printing, suitable for photo and graphic. They use liquid ink and are generally more available upfront but can have hanger long-term in course. Next, laser printers. Best for high volume printing, especially in black and white. They use toner, powder ink, are faster and have lower cost per page. Then, thermal printers. Older technology primarily used for printing multi-part form and documents where carbon copies are needed. Next, photo printers, especially for printing photo with high detail and color accuracy, usually a subset of inkjet printer. Second, thermal printer. Thermal printer are a type of printer that use heat to produce image or text on paper. Impact printers. Impact printers are a type of printer that produce text and image physically, striking and in ribbon against the paper, much like typewriter. Next, 3D printer. 3D printer are devices that create three-dimensional object from digital model by adding material layer by layer, a process known as additive manufacturing. All-in-one inkjet MFDS offer printing, scanning, and copying, often with color capabilities. Thank you from our team. Thank you.